Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Apple ID, a TV OS device or compatible smart TV, and a stable Wi-Fi network. Connect the Apple TV to power and HDMI, then choose your language. Once done, follow the on-screen activation with your iPhone or remote, pairing speeds entry and imports your Apple ID. Make sure two-factor authentication is available. This secures purchases and single sign-on. Finally, enable home sharing in settings so the Apple TV app can access your subscriptions and library immediately. You now install and configure the app. Open the App Store on the Apple TV, search for the TV app if it's not pre-installed, and download. After launching, sign in using the same Apple ID tied to your iPhone and iCloud. This preserves purchased content. Once signed in, enable one-tap sign-in to streamline future logins across services and configure subscriptions and family sharing so purchases and profiles sync. Make sure location and media permissions are accepted to allow personalized recommendations and playback. You finish by customizing playback and accessibility. Choose audio output, streaming resolution, and enable voice control or subtitles if needed. Test playback with a purchased show or a free trial to confirm entitlements and that subtitles and audio tracks work. If something fails, don't panic. Restart the Apple TV, verify Wi-Fi signal and router settings, and sign out, then sign back into your Apple ID to refresh tokens. If problems persist, check TV OS version and retry the setup. This resolves most sync and playback errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.